Hello everyone, my name is Warren. So today we'll be learning about SLURM commands that let's log into our supercomputer carnie. So okay, we are logged in now. The commands I'll be telling you about is uh, are the four commands. Those are the sbatch, scancel, sinfo, and sq. So first let's start with sinfo. So SINFO will give all the information about the partition available, time limit, nodes that are available, and the state and the node list. So coming to partition, so there are few different types of partition that those are available depending on the size. So those are the short single, long single, large parallel, and power single and interactive. So for student, it is preferred as a short single, and the nodes that are available and ideal for usage is 32, and as you can see, it is showing as idle. And the nodes that are available are 2 to 6, 13 to 14, 22, and 25 to 48 nodes are available which can be used. Uh, so next, so if we want to run a program, the MATLAB code inside it. So before that, we need to create a SLURM script. For that, I here have already created a script using Vim. So let's get inside that one. I have named this job scripts.slurm. So the script always starts with hash, and these are few of the parameters which has to be given. Uh, First one is the MATLAB which have to run, and what is the time limit for the node which you are selecting should have. So I have selected 30 minutes. So this node will be reserved for me for 30 minutes. How much nodes you'll be taking? So I'll be taking just one node, and which node you'll be taking. So every time you need to see which node will be available to us. So for us, the available node is from 2 to 6, and in that I'll be taking the fifth one. And end task will tell about how many cores you will be selecting. So here I'll be selecting 12 cores, and the partition I'll be selecting is short single. And you need to specify when you run a code, you'll get an output message here. So that you for that you need to give a message hyphen percentage j, and if you have in that code, if there is any error message, so this will handle that one. And the code I'll be using is dummy.m. So this is the code I'll be running it. So let's save it. Now to run the job, we'll be using sbatch and the job script.slurm. So you can see the submitted batch number is 47037. So we need uh, if you run the batch every time, a new job number will be created. So you need to know which job is for which. So you need to note down everything. If you at the same time, if you want to see uh, if the job is running now or not, for that the command is sq hyphen u, and the student, this one, student ID you need to give. So as you can see, this is the current job that is running in the background. And if you want to even see what all the other jobs other than the node which is reserved to me are running, like um, currently these are the different job IDs that has been created, and these are currently running. As you can see, this is the last. So my node has been already completed. The job has been already completed. So if you just this, as you can see, there is no job ID now that is running here. That means the job has already been completed. To see and okay, this is done. If you type ls, you can see the job number here, job ID, which is 47037. So you can see an output has been created. So if you want to see what is the output inside that one, for that we'll be using cat command. Cat output message 47037. So whatever the code which have run is in parallel. So parallel pooling has been started. You are able to see, and the total number of workers, that is the course, is 12, and the code has been completed in 3.2 seconds. Now, suppose if you want to run, suppose if I'm running the code and in the middle you want to change something in the code and you need to cancel that job. So at that time you will be using s cancel. So let me start with running this job. So job 47038 has been created. So it's running now. So if I want to cancel this one, you need to just give yes and cancel and the job ID estimate. So let's see. Oh, this job is running. So the job has already been submitted. So let's take a new job and submit that job. Now let's run that job. So this is a new job ID that has been created. And if you want to cancel that job, so for that the command will is cancel and the job ID which is running 47039. As you can see, the job has been cancelled. That's it for now. Thank you.